How to fix Steam game validating stuck in validating loop error. So if you want to fix Steam validating error, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser. And under your browser, you need to simply search for EA games and then go with the EA homepage or go with the EA app and make sure to download it. Once you've downloaded, you can launch it and after that your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just open up your Steam application. Once you open up your Steam, you need to go with the top left. So go with the top left, which has that Steam option, and then go with exit. And exit the application and relaunch, and after that your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then you just need simply again open up your Steam application and go with the top left and go with settings, go with downloads, and under downloads you will have clear cache option. You just need to simply go with clear cache and confirm and clear your cache. Once you clear your cache, then your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. So these were the few fixes on how you can fix your Steam game validating stuck in validating loop error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.